In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Efootball mobile account to PC. Whether you're switching from mobile to a bigger screen or just want to continue your progress on Steam, this full guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your Efootball mobile app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on Extras. Inside the Extras menu, select Support. Under the Support section, you'll see an option called Link Data. Tap that. Here you'll get two options, link using Google Play or link using a KONAMI ID. Since Google Play doesn't work on PC, you'll need to use your KONAMI account for this process. If you don't already have one, go to the KONAMI ID registration page on your browser and create a free account using your email address. Once you've registered, come back to the Efootball mobile app and tap Link using KONAMI ID. Now, log in with the same KONAMI credentials you just created. After linking, your Efootball mobile data, including your club, players, and progress, will be securely tied to your KONAMI account. You can verify this by returning to the Link Data page, where it should now say View Link Data. Once that's done, it's time to move over to your PC. Open Steam and make sure you've downloaded Efootball 2025. It's a large game, around 50 to 55 GB, so it might take a while depending on your internet speed. When the installation is complete, launch the game and go to the main menu. On the first login screen, choose Link with KONAMI ID. Enter the same KONAMI account details you used to link your mobile data. Once you sign in, your mobile account progress will automatically sync with a PC version of Efootball. This means all your saved data, team settings, and player information will now appear on your PC exactly as it was on mobile. To make sure everything works smoothly, double-check that you're logged into the same KONAMI ID on both devices. If your progress doesn't appear immediately, restart the game and log in again. It usually syncs right after that. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your Efootball mobile account to your PC using your KONAMI ID and keep all your progress intact. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Efootball tutorials.